Kraken Crypto Exchange Review, My Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing Kraken Crypto Exchange based on my personal usage experience, diving into its features, pros, cons, and whether it's worth your time. Kraken is a major player in the crypto world, offering a broad range of digital assets for trading, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and lesser-known altcoins. It's designed for both beginners and experienced traders, featuring a clean, intuitive interface paired with advanced charting tools and trading options for those who demand precision. One of Kraken's standout features is its strong security protocol. With two-factor authentication, 2FA, cold storage for the majority of its assets, and regular security audits, Kraken takes safety seriously. If you're concerned about keeping your assets secure, Kraken delivers peace of mind. The platform also provides futures and margin trading for users who are more advanced, giving them the tools to leverage their positions, which is a feature not all exchanges offer. For beginners, Kraken offers an easy-to-use interface with clear navigation and an option for a simple trading mode. It also has a wealth of educational resources, making it a good choice if you're new to crypto. The mobile app is seamless, making it simple to trade on the go, and its liquidity ensures fast execution of trades, especially during high-traffic periods. Fees are competitive, but they can get a little complicated. Kraken uses a tiered fee structure based on your monthly trading volume. Fees start at 0.16% for makers and 0.26% for takers, but they can drop as your trading volume increases. While the fees aren't the lowest in the industry, the value you get for the fees paid, especially when considering Kraken's robust features, makes it a reasonable trade-off. On the downside, Kraken's customer support can be slow at times, which is a concern for users who may need immediate assistance. Some users also report occasional issues with account verification, which can take longer than expected. In conclusion, Kraken is a solid crypto exchange for both beginners and advanced traders. Its security, range of features, and ease of use make it a top choice for many, despite minor issues with customer support. If you're looking for an exchange that balances usability and advanced trading tools, Kraken is definitely worth considering.